Here's a quick way of creating a procedural cracked ground lava material using a few types of noise. No pre-made textures needed. First, just some basic coordinate stuff to get the things we'll need. Also, some basic randomization, just a number you can add to change the pattern of the cells, and then saving this as a named node to be used later. The main effect is created with Vornoi noise. I'm extracting the alpha mask, which is basically the distance field, a gradient that is 0 at the cell center and 1 at the cell edge. This subtract is just to allow to increase the size between the cells, make the cracks larger, as well as this smooth step to create a harder, more defined edge between the lava and the rock, rather than a completely soft fade. And to add more detail, I'm overlaying it a bit with two other noises. One of them is a shell sharpness, which is the difference between two Vornoi noises, one of them being slightly moved on its UVs to achieve the effect. This 0.2 here into the distance is to regulate the edges for our intended effect. And the other one is just a simple cloudy noise to break up the uniform look of the Vornoi cells. The influence is just dealer's choice, how much you want of these overlaid effects to be present in your final result. And lastly, plug in some color for the lava and cells, and only use the lava for the emissive. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.